Well, hello YouTube channel, it's Belmont here. And for this week's video is one of my standard videos. But you might be saying to yourself, I'm adding up some things, ain't I, Belmont? I see 4 ABIS padlocks. You're right. And I want to talk about key to like. Now, having padlocks that are key to like are helpful. Now, if you buy key to like, then you're going to be paying less, but you're also going to pretty much get the same thing. If this is done in a business, a hospital, a clinic, anywhere, even at your home, this is dangerous. So yeah, these are 2 key-like ABISes that I randomly come across in the wild. Same key bitting. Opens. Here's another 2 key to like. Just randomly encountered in the wild. Now, ABIS, they're a good lock. Nothing wrong with them. But let's see about picking them with these quints. And we'll see how long it actually takes for them to open. Now, sometimes I get lucky, sometimes it takes a bit longer. Also, I want to apologize for the 2 recent TikTok videos that I had to upload back to back. Something's going on with the volume, but at least I heard the volume when it first came out, and hopefully that will actually clear up. And as someone else pointed out on Facebook, trying to get a lockpick into these can be a little challenging at first, but if you just wiggle it up and down, it will eventually get there. So 2.5 minutes of me jabbering on and pop. And that's with me using my quint rake. So, gonna put that one back in there. And we're gonna do the same for my other double. Take a look at the bitting. Doesn't look too bad, right? Let's see how long it takes for this little animule to get popped open. Come on. And yes, I'm using my my knurled flat 5 this time around, but in bottom of the keyway tension, wow, less than a minute. Okay, folks, my point is, Abus is an outstanding brand. You know, this is the kind of lock you would want protecting your stuff. But these kind of rakes are its kryptonite. Speaking of kryptonite, I have a nice little kryptonite bike lock with a Yale style keyway, which in conversations regarding the Abus, this is technically considered a Yale style keyway, at least according to my associates on the Facebook Luxport group. And it looks pretty good. A little tight, but wide enough where you could actually get a 25 thousandths pick in, which is what these are. I had the option of getting 25 thousandths, 20, or 15, opt for the larger. Maybe that's my own stupid fault, but I got what I wanted, even without really considering all the options. So, for my family, my friends, my associates, and new alliances watching, take the time to put the right type of locks and right style on what you want to protect. Because if you have a whole lot there key to like, then one key is going to fit all the others, especially if it has the same bitting and the same key. I'm going to try and find a link to the bundles of Abus locks, and I'll put that in the description. Again, I apologize for TikTok and the sound of where it might sound muted. So always stick around for the YouTube videos and come here first. So, this is Belmont saying, enjoy your weekend, be safe, and as always, stick around.